In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Sheets to dark mode easily. Whether you're working late into the night or prefer a more subdued visual experience, switching to dark mode can make a significant difference. Let's get started and guide you through the process step by step. First, open Google Sheets by navigating to Google Sheets link. If you're like me, you spend a lot of time in front of a screen, and eye strain can be a real issue. Having your Google Sheets open in dark mode can help to reduce glare and provide a more comfortable viewing experience. Next, open a new tab in your browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. If this is your first time visiting, simply type Chrome Web Store into the search bar and hit Enter. The Chrome Web Store is a treasure trove of tools and extensions that you can use to enhance your browsing experience. Today, we'll find a particular extension that will help us switch our Google Sheets to dark mode. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top right corner. Type Dark Mode for Google Sheets into the search bar and press Enter. A list of potential extensions will appear, but make sure you choose a reputable one with good reviews. This ensures that the extension not only works well, but also doesn't compromise your security. After you've settled on an extension, look for the Add to Chrome button. This button is typically easy to spot and will be displayed prominently. Click on it. Adding an extension is a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to make sure that the extension you choose allows for easy uninstallation just in case you want to revert back to the default settings later. A prompt will appear asking whether you want to add this extension. Go ahead and click on Add Extension. This step is crucial because it finalizes the installation and allows the extension to integrate seamlessly with your browser. Once the installation is complete, return to your Google Sheets document. You'll need to refresh it for the newly installed dark mode settings to take effect. Simply press that refresh button or use the keyboard shortcut, which is typically F5, depending on your device. Once refreshed, voila! Your Google Sheet should now be in dark mode. And there you have it. Switching Google Sheets to dark mode is as simple as that. With a few clicks, you can enjoy a more comfortable and visually pleasing workspace. Remember, the ability to toggle between regular and dark modes can usually be found in your extensions options. Feel free to adjust it to suit your needs for both day and nighttime work sessions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.